The United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense latest intelligence update on Ukraine, August 22, 2023. On August 19, a Russian Tu-22M3 backfire bomber was likely destroyed at Soloti airbase in Russia's Novgorod Oblast region, approximately 650 kilometers from the Ukrainian border. Russia claimed an uncrewed aerial vehicle was responsible for the attack. If true, this lends credibility to assessments that some uncrewed aerial vehicle strikes against Russian military targets are being launched from inside Russian territory itself. Copter-style uncrewed aerial vehicles likely lack the range to reach Soloti from outside Russia. Backfire bombers have been frequently used by Russia to launch inaccurate anti-ship missiles against Ukraine. Earlier in the war, they also conducted intense bombardment of Mariupol using unguided bombs. This marks at least the third successful attack on Russian Long Range Aviation airfields, raising further questions about Russia's ability to protect strategic sites deep inside its territory. The Institute for the Study of War Russian Offensive Campaign Assessment. Ukrainian forces continued advancing in and around Robotyne in western Zaporizhia Oblast as of August 22, 2023. Videos and statements from Ukrainian officials indicate Ukrainian troops have made progress pushing into the settlement amid signs of diminished Russian presence there. The 47th Mechanized Brigade said its forces broke through Russian defensive lines near Robotyne, entered the settlement, and safely evacuated civilians accompanied by Ukrainian journalists. This suggests parts of Robotyne may now be relatively secure due to decreased Russian positions in the area. Russian claims that Ukraine only holds the northern outskirts are likely exaggerated, as most Russian military bloggers acknowledge Ukraine controls much of northern Robotyne, while Russia at most retains positions on the southern outskirts. Overall, Ukrainian counteroffensive operations demonstrate continued momentum in this area. The Institute for the Study of War key takeaways today. Russian forces appear to be prioritizing sending their limited reinforcements to the Orikhiv area in western Zaporizhia Oblast. Ukraine's continued offensive efforts elsewhere can prevent further Russian troop reallocations, despite criticisms to concentrate on a single axis. Ukraine's advance on Robotyne brings it closer to assaulting potentially weaker second Russian defense lines in the area. Recent Ukrainian gains in the Donetsk-Zaporizhia border region and western Zaporizhia have concerned Russia. Wagner Group likely aims to expand in Africa to maintain cohesion as an independent organization. A Russian delegation in Libya may try to replace Wagner forces with Kremlin-linked private military companies. Russia and Ukraine made gains in various areas amid ongoing fighting.